Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need creator permissions and the island loaded. Start now by opening My Island settings. Once done, go to the Game Settings tab and choose the game you want to use. Make sure to select a game mode that supports custom match keys, then enter a short, unique match key, 4 to 12 characters, and set visibility to friends or private as required. You're doing this early so the key propagates to all devices and prevents accidental public joins. Confirm and save before moving on. Once your key is saved, adjust core match rules so the gameplay matches your intent. Set team sizes, max players, respawn rules, and round timers. Then check platform and crossplay settings. If crossplay is off, players on other platforms can't join even with the key. Make sure every participant adds you or joins your party, because the match key only activates when the host launches the session. Finally, resave settings and preview the match to confirm the key is listed correctly. You're ready to launch. Start the match as host from the Creative Hub or My Island menu and tell players the exact match key. If players can't join, first check spelling and letter case, then ensure privacy settings and crossplay aren't blocking them. If the key still won't register, restart the server or relaunch the island, because a transient session bug can prevent propagation. As a last resort, change the key slightly and re-announce it. That forces a fresh registration and usually resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.